In this lesson, we want to talk about the commutative property of addition and how we might introduce it to young children. The context here is the teacher, Mr. Andrew, giving 2 blue star stickers and 3 red star stickers to students who get A's on their math quizzes. Both Janie and Tyrone got A's, and they want to know how many stars they're going to get. Tyrone wrote 2 plus 3 equals 5, and Janie wrote 3 plus 2 equals 5. Who's right? Who's written the correct sentence? We can use snap cubes, as I've modeled here, to represent one of the sentences. And in this case, if I look at it, I have 2 plus 3 equals 5. So I've mirrored Tyrone's sentence in this case. I have 2 options to look at Janie's sentence and build a model. One is to take my snap cubes again and start to make a train of them in this way. But the other option that's fun as a way of using the technology of the board, let me get these out of our way, is that if you take your first drawing and select all of the cubes and group them, and my yellow here shows that it's grouped, and then press the Property Browser button that looks like a menu. Transform right here includes an option to mirror in the y-axis, which means we'll see both before and after, or to flip in the y-axis, which simply will turn it over. I'm going to choose mirror. And we'll see the reverse sentence built without having to drag and align all of those pieces again. We know it matches. And I can take my pen now and label this one, reading from left to right, as 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's Janie's model. So this first one was Tyrone, the second one was Janie. And by working with this, students can see that they're both 5. It doesn't matter the order in which we write. For very young children, kindergarten, first grade, that might be all I do. 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3 are the same. As kids get a little bit older, I can begin to explore whether that's always true in addition problems. Can you make them backwards? Sometimes, too, the notion of commuting to work is a helpful hint. I drive back and forth. The numbers can move back and forth as a way of remembering that the commutative property is about moving things around as students get a little older.